What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to talk about my best forex trading setups this week. So these are the setups that I'm expecting, that I'm looking at this week. So first, we have to look at we have to go to Forex Factory just to check the upcoming news. What are we expecting today? This week. On Monday, we have Swiss franc at 7:30 a.m. So yeah, as I said in the previous video, I said, okay, here when we are on Forex Factory, you have to pay attention to the higher impact and low impact. Higher impact, red; low, medium impact, orange. So you have to pay attention to this. And here you have to pay attention to the forecast, and the previous one to the forecast. So now you check here when the news release is already released, it will print out the numbers here. This actual, this one, you just check, you compare it with the forecast. So yeah, I don't want to repeat what I said in the other video. If you want to go check, you can check. You can go back and check on the other video where I explained well about news release on Forex Factory. So yeah, these are the news that is coming up this week from Monday up to Friday. So Swiss franc CPI, first one 7:30 a.m. We have USD ICMPMI manufacturing. So we have to check out for this one. We have to watch out for this one. And also on Tuesday we have AUD cash rate, RBA rate statements. So we have to pay attention to these rate ones. AUD on Tuesday and USD. And on Wednesday we have NZD official cash rate, and we have RBNZ rate statement, and that is on Wednesday. And we have AUD at 3:30 a.m. RBA curve lowest peaks. We have USD at 1:15 p.m. ADP non-farm employment change. This one is very important, guys. Watch out for this one. At 3 p.m. we have USD ISM sales PMI. And on Thursday, April 6, 1:30 p.m. we have CAD, Canadian dollar employment change, unemployment rate, USD unemployment claims. Friday we have USD. So we also have non-farm payment roll. We have non-farm employment change here on Friday. So this one is very important, guys. This one at 1:30. Unemployment rate, and average hourly earnings. So yeah, you have to watch out for these things, guys. Don't just jump in the market. You have to first check out for these ones, and you check now which currency pairs are you interested in. If it is one of these, you have to watch out for these things. And also the other thing is, you have to go to the worldwide interest rate and economic indicators. We have to go to the globalites.com. You just check here. You check at the interest rate of every currency. Especially here, let me say here, Europe. We have United States. Percentage, it's 5.85%. This one, it's 5%. So the interest rate of USA is at 5.0%. And we have Canada 4.5, Great Britain 4.250, Australia 3.6, Brazil 13.750, Russia 7.5, Japan negative 0.100. So yeah, you just check here, man. Yeah, you check here. Inflation rate. This one is also important, guys. The inflation rate. You check here and you check here. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the charts. We'll start with our DXY. DXY has been on the decline. You see here, it has been declining. It has been on the bearish trend. So now it bounces. It bounces at this level here, at this demand zone here that you see here. This big demand zone you see here. It is where but I think this week we must expect a rise. We must expect DXY to go up. So once it breaks this, let me say here, just put it here. Once you see a change of character here on either Monday or Tuesday, you wait for what? You wait for a pullback. Wait for a pullback somewhere here, this demand zone. Let me just draw it nicely here. Expect once it breaks out, so I must just remain here. Once it breaks out, expect a pullback in this region, and then once we see that there is a pullback in this demand, we buy, but we don't necessarily buy DXY. We use it in like GBPUSD and EURUSD. Yeah, you can buy EURUSD and GBPUSD or USD JPY. That is my view on DXY. So let's go to a gold. Let's go to gold. So my view on gold, I was in this trade, but I ended up closing it early. I closed it here, but as I can see here, if you look at the lower time frame, let me say H1, we are in an uptrend on H1. We are in an uptrend. So we broke this structure here. Broke structure here. That is the internal structure. So we are either expecting a pullback in this region here at this demand zone, which is here, and then we go up, or we just bounce, at this level here. We'll see what happens on Monday once the market opens. There's two scenarios here. Either we come down and then we go up, then so we buy and we buy from here. Stop loss is just below this, then we target this higher here. So the whole, yeah, or we could just, market can just open, go up, and we retest, and and then we go up. So these are the two scenarios that we have here. Okay, break of structure, we retest, and then we buy. So the two scenarios that could happen. So we are still in an uptrend here on gold. So yeah, let's look at EURUSD. EURUSD. So EURUSD, we are in an uptrend, but I think, the way I look at the market, I think we might drop. We expect a drop because DXY is rising, DXY is going up, so we might expect a drop for EURUSD until probably at this area here. We target this area here. That all depends on DXY. So we already break this trend line. So this one, the trend line, liquidity trend line, this one. So we might, because there's too much liquidity here, down here on this trend line. That's why I put up this trend line liquidity here. Then we also have liquidity in the up. This double top is a liquidity area. There's a lot of orders here. So we might open, the market might open It's a possibility of the market doing like this. Break and go up. But looking at the DXY now, I look at the dropping. I think euro might drop. That's my look at euro USD. Guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment down below on what your setup. What I would like to hear from you guys. What are your setups for this week? If you have any. So this is my view on EURUSD. So let's go look at CADJPY or GBPUSD. Okay, let's look at the GBPUSD. Looking at GBPUSD, it's almost the same as EURUSD. So I expect market to drop. I expect a change of character here. Change of character here, and the market do a retest up here, and then we sell. So there are two scenarios here, but just draw it nice. So there is this one, okay, change of character, we go up, drop a bit, go up, liquidity, and then we drop those areas here. So yeah, and then we enter a sell at this area. So wait for candlestick pattern, and you just put up a stop loss somewhere here, and you target this level here. Okay, these are my view on GBPUSD. If you would like to join my community, guys, it's for free. You don't have to pay anything. You just join for free. A free Telegram group is link is available down below, and I have a free Discord channel where you can join for free. You don't have to pay anything. I don't sell anything, guys. I don't sell courses. I don't sell signals, guys. I'm doing this for free, guys, because I would like to, like, my interest is to teach you guys. My interest is to teach you guys. NZD USD, NZD USD. Let's look at NZD USD. NZD USD, NZD USD. Yeah. So that was a plan. This one was a good plan I had for last week. Yeah, because we came in here, we grabbed liquidity here. We grabbed liquidity here, and then we raised. We bought. So that was a perfect trade on NZD USD. So now we are expecting a sell. We are expecting a sell on NZD, but we have some news that are coming up on the NZD, and we must also not forget that they are okay. We have, so this one we have a big break of structure here on daily. So yeah, this one is, it will drop. It will drop. Obviously, it will drop. If you see the dollar rising, we must expect NZD to drop. But my higher time frame are H4 and daily. Those are my time frames that I like. So for this one, I expect either, I expect a sell here. So let me just clear up this one. Just clear up this one for last week. So yeah, we two scenarios here. We have news that are coming up. We might break and we could grab liquidity here. So there are two scenarios here. There are two scenarios here. There's a possibility of us grabbing liquidity up there. Because as you can see, there's a double top here, double top here. A triple top, I mean, yeah, it's like a triple top. And we have liquidity up there. We might take out that liquidity and then we drop. So that is what I see on NZD USD, NZD USD, NZD USD. So you might expect like that, and a big joke here. Yeah. So when you might sell here, you might sell when after liquidity is grabbed aggressively, we can enter conservatively and then we target this low here. So that one is a big risk reward ratio here. You see, so it's a bit of an uptrend. So I think this might be a pullback. This one is a correction, impulse. This one is an impulse, correction, impulse. So yeah, that's my view on NZDUSD. Let's look at the card JPY, card JPY, card JPY, card JPY, card JPY, card JPY. We might have two scenarios here. And now looking at H4. Card JPY. So might have two scenarios here. We have a zone here. We have a demand zone here. And possibility of the market to possibility of the market to do like this. We either open, go up, and drop, or we just go up and we rise. So those are the scenarios that I have on CADJPY. CADJPY. So these are the scenarios that I have on CADJPY. So either take a buy here after a break of structure and a pullback, or you can take a sell here, stop loss above this area, and then target down here. So the scenarios that I have on CADJPY. CADJPY. Okay. Let's look at USDJPY, 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 USDJPY. We are currently in an uptrend, so we are currently in an uptrend. So let's look here. So I'm expecting a pullback. This is the setup that I had the other week, last week. So I'm expecting price to drop when I buy here. That is my plan for USDJPY. So yeah, This is my plan for USDJPY, so I expect price to drop. If I pull back, then you buy. I am targeting this higher, which is here. So that is my plan on USDJPY. 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 Okay. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Hit on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. Comment down below, or I would like to hear. So, what are your setups for this week? Or if you have a question, you can also ask in the comment down below. I will attend to you guys, as I said. So let's look at the USD CHF. USD CHF. This was the plan that I had on USD CHF. So yeah, it is starting to play out. So this one, it did not go through. This one, the first one. So, but so I might possibility of the market to go up, and retest and go up, targeting this high here is possible also. So I'm just waiting for price to break here and makes a pullback. Then buy. We might there might be a liquidity here, all these zones here, and then price is capable of grabbing liquidity, coming down, and guys, these are the two scenarios that I have on USDCHF. Price grabbing liquidity here, breaking this low here, and then buy. So scenario that I have on USDCHF. USDCHF. Let me look on NAS100. Let me look on NAS100. So this week NAS100 is overboard. It's overboard, but we might, because when Nasdaq buys, we expect the dollar to sell. So if the dollar is buying, Nasdaq must drop. So the possibility of us bouncing this zone, us going up and bouncing on this zone. Let's go in descend and we sell. That is the scenario I have on Nasdaq. Bye guys, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. Bye guys.